ते फिल्म आशिल्ले कार्लो म्हणून एकटो भुरगो आशिल्लो. And he was the boy who ते जीजस क्रायस्टाचेर त्याने रिसर्च केल्ले कंप्युटरान. आणि doing research he gets cancer. And his last words were like saint words, saying that God wants me to come to him, so I'll have to go to him. Everybody was requesting God to save his life. Participation 30 were there, and there were total 18 awards. Regional film म्हणून एक award गावला, and second award was given to me as a line producer. This is a festival, it is like Global Taj Film Festival.
Okay.
Actually, this is like an international film festival only. Like I'm trying to market Konkani films more in other states also, plus abroad also.